Are you thinking about buying the B11 TWS AI Translator Earbuds? With bold claims like translating over 10,000 languages using AI technology, they sound like a futuristic gadget. But before you invest, let's dive into whether they truly deliver or are just overhyped. First, let's discuss that massive language claim. The earbuds boast the ability to translate 10,044 languages, but with only about 7,000 spoken worldwide, this seems more like a marketing stunt than a reality. These earbuds also depend entirely on the one-click app to function as translators. Without the app, they're just regular earbuds. If the app has glitches or privacy issues, something it doesn't address, it could leave your personal data vulnerable. The practicality of these earbuds raises concerns too. Using the touch mode, for example, requires you to keep tapping the earbuds to record and translate conversations. This constant tapping can interrupt the natural flow of communication. In speaker mode, you may have to hand your phone or earbuds to strangers to complete the translation, which feels inconvenient, unsafe, and unhygienic. Vacuum-style earbuds aren't easy to clean, and sharing them during conversations can quickly become unsanitary. The translation speed and accuracy? While marketed as fast, users have reported delays that force awkward pauses in conversations. Plus, since the earbuds depend on an internet connection for most features, they may not work well in areas with poor connectivity. As for their AI technology, there's no explanation of what powers the translations, leaving us with vague claims and no transparency. To make matters worse, there are no independent reviews or third-party testing to verify the earbuds' performance. Instead, they seem to rely on flashy features and marketing to grab attention, glossing over practical limitations like awkward operation and hygiene concerns. The B11 TWS AI Translator Earbuds might seem impressive, but their exaggerated claims and questionable usability make them feel more like a gimmick than a reliable tool. Proceed cautiously and wait for trustworthy reviews before making a decision.